Hi students, today our topic is the catenation. Today we will discuss about the catenation. Now what is catenation? The definition of the catenation is the self-linking ability of carbon atoms. The self-linking ability of carbon atoms. This is actually known as catenation. Now in other words, we can also define catenation as the self-linking of atoms of an element to create chains and rings called catenation. Now how the chain will be formed? Before the formation of chain, we will discuss a little bit about the carbon and their valence electrons. So this one is carbon. It has a 4 electron in their outermost shell. If hydrogen has also 1 electron, this hydrogen has also 1 electron. If we say that here is carbon, and it's also have 4 electron in their outermost shell. So if we take here a hydrogen, here a hydrogen with electron, here a hydrogen with electron, and here also a hydrogen with electron, So it will form a bond with this one, it will form a bond with this one, it will form a bond with this one, this one, and this one. So this structure will become as just like this. Actually this is the ethane. It means containing 2 carbon atoms. Containing single bond because these are saturated hydrocarbons. Now we are coming toward this one, that the carbon has 4 bonding electrons wherein shell. Carbon therefore forms 4 bonds with other atoms. For examples, this is actually a normal pentane. In short, normal. Pentane means the compound containing 4 carbon. N means this is actually the saturated hydrocarbons. That is why the pentane. Pent means pio, N means containing single bond. And this is actually the saturated hydrocarbons. We can also written it as in the form of just like this. One, two, three, four, 5. This is in the form of branch. You see that this is normal one, and this in the form of branch. So the carbon also form the ring compounds, the chain compounds, in the form of branch and much more. If you have any question regarding this one topic, you can also ask in the comment box. Thank you.